First, let me hop out the motherfucker Porsche. I don't wanna hit that long shit like a horse. I be ballin' on this, got me feeling.
Hey, so hi guys, I'm here to makeup. So yeah, I'm just here chilling, killing some time, waiting on my clients. So yeah guys, this is my first vlog. Feels kind of weird. Going to take some getting used to this vlogging thing. But yeah, I did a tutorial on this to natural look you see I have going on. It's basically an updated natural face and eyebrow routine. So yeah. You guys have been requesting that I do vlogs like forever. A lot of you guys have been even inboxing me about doing vlogs, but I did plan on doing a vlog channel, because me myself, I love watching vlogs on YouTube, and I think creating memories out of your everyday life is something that I like. It's good to have memories, and vlogging is a good way to create that. So yeah, I'm just sharing my daily life with you guys. I'm just kind of like letting down my hair over here on this channel, let you guys get to know me a little bit more and such. So yeah, not really having much for saying right now, as I'm just waiting on my clients. Yeah, it's a very beautiful day. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's hot. Like, it's a burn up. When I say it's a burn up, I mean it's a burn up. Yeah, but it's a nice sunny breezy day. I'm pretty sure that you're hearing all of that breeze in the background. It's very nice. I'm loving it. And the lighting, oh child, it's bomb. I love it. Yeah. I'm just there. But now I feel kind of packaged now still. But what I find out is that, like, when I work, like when I'm hungry, well, not super hungry, but peckish, I kind of work better. I don't know, that's just me. But yeah, just like go and take in some of them cool breeze there. You see me? So now I'm going on the road, guys. Finish up that client and thing. She looked amazing. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see what that came out like. But yeah, so what my volley things though. Don't mommy mommy you carry your like Shammy?
No.
Seriously?
No.
You gonna be acting a fool?
No.
Shammy,
Say
something.
You have to go higher for me because I'm more taller than you.
Girl, bye. But yeah, so we're basically just on the road now walking. As I tell you what we're going to do, so
one time to see you that come down.
look at all of this. What you say?
What you mean I'm gonna say a while ago?
Because you have glasses up here in your face. They hide where your eyes
no,
from.
She have vlog fright, everybody. She don't want to do the vlog because
No, it's not the easiest thing to vlog
Okay,
when...
no,
I'm telling you people, I'm telling you, you see, at Jamaica this, and I tell you see when people see you like with one phone or something and like, gosh, no, them think a TVJ. Yes, them think a movie at some TV station or something.
Meanwhile, some cook around the corner want to grab the phone.
Yes, for real. That's the next thing too. They want to keep your camera or your phone, what them say with, but yeah, as much as we're gonna deal with this, and we'll come back to it. I'll come back to you guys later on. I mean, you'll literally see that in like the next second, because of course this is edited. Shut up now, girl. But yeah, it's edited, so I'll come back to you guys in a second or so. Alright, so we just finished paying the bills, and now what we're going to do, mommy? What we're going to do?
Going to the supermarket to buy something to drink.
Oh, you're not cook nothing? You're not cook nothing this evening?
I'm not sure about that. Don't have a lot of work to be done.
Oh yeah guys, we're moving. So it's a whole heap of work. So we're gonna go to the new house and clean up, and well, not really clean up because it done start out already. We're just going, you know, do our little finishing touches on it, give it our little flavor, if you want to call it that. So yeah, we're just basically going to do that, and now I'm not much to say right now. We're going into the supermarket. These people these people are looking at me like I'm crazy, so I'm going to stop vlogging. No, you should act the fool you were acting.
What, like yesterday? When I was talking to? Good.
Yeah, I'm like tired. Today was a good day. It was a good day, you know. Hungry now still. You remember from them time them I didn't eat nothing from them time, so you know, I have a little snack, mega munch pan and thing, and yeah. So yeah, you guys got through a day with me. So mommy them here. Say hi.
Hi.
And say bye.
Bye.
Alright. 5. Wait there. Oh, I'm having a makeup here. What time now? Let's see. It's like 7:35 now.
7:35?
Yeah, 7:35. I applied my makeup from like 12. So do the math. That's like 8 hours out of my makeup. Like, yeah, so it's still intact. Yep. The tutorial for this look is up on my channel now, my main channel, so go ahead and check that out. Updated brow tutorial and everything. You know that already. Yeah. Bye.